Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about something incredibly important: 5 things people learn too late in life. These are valuable lessons that can make a huge difference in how we live our lives. So, let's dive right in and uncover these life-changing truths. Number 1. The importance of time. Time is our most precious resource, yet many people don't realize its value until it's too late. We often spend too much time worrying about the past or the future instead of living in the present. Remember, time waits for no one, so make the most of every moment. Number 2. The value of relationships. It's easy to get caught up in work, personal goals, or material pursuits, but in the end, it's our relationships that bring true happiness and fulfillment. Cherish your loved ones, make time for friends, and build meaningful connections. People often realize too late that relationships are the essence of a joyful life. Number 3. Health is wealth. Many people neglect their health in their younger years, only to regret it later. Prioritizing physical and mental well-being is crucial. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mental health care are key to a long, healthy life. Don't wait until it's too late to start taking care of yourself. Number 4. The power of saying no. Many of us feel pressured to say yes to everything, fearing we might miss out or disappoint others. However, learning to say no is essential for maintaining balance and preventing burnout. It's okay to prioritize your own needs and set boundaries. People often learn this lesson only after experiencing overwhelm. And finally, number 5. Pursuing your passion. Too often, people settle for a life that doesn't fulfill them, thinking it's too late to chase their dreams. The truth is, it's never too late to follow your passion. Whether it's a career change, a hobby, or a personal goal, pursuing what you love brings joy and purpose to your life. Don't let fear hold you back. So there you have it, 5 things people often learn too late in life. By recognizing these truths now, you can make positive changes and live a more fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on healthy life and personal growth. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on our channel. Don't forget to check out our other videos and follow us on social media for more tips and insights. Until next time, take care.